There are a number of helpful tools available to users at Transfer Virginia. One that I want to show right now helps students learn where can my major transfer. I encourage users to log in to use these features because when you find information that you want to save, you can easily bookmark that for quick availability when you return. So I'm logging in with my student account, and then I'm going to go to Transfer Tools. Where can my major transfer? This is really designed for the community college student to find out where they might continue their education at a four-year college or university. So for example, I am a Tidewater student and my major is business. And this actually shows you the various degrees that Tidewater offers in business. I happen to be in the Associate of Science Business Administration degree. And I will point out, this is considered a transfer degree, Associate of Science, Associate of Arts and Science, Associate of Arts. Those are transferable degrees where the Associate of Applied Science, while there may be programs designed for that, there may be additional courses required upon transfer. So that's a conversation to have with your advisor at your community college. So I'm in the Associate of Science Business Administration program, and I'm going to hit search and see what comes back. So this is really a display of our programs page. All of the programs across the participating colleges that match up to that Associate in Business Administration. Well, you see a lot of community college programs listed here. Yes, because typically students can go back and forth between the community colleges, but I am specifically looking for a bachelor degree program in business. So using the filters on the left-hand side, I'm going to choose bachelor degree. That immediately takes out those community colleges. So now I can look down and see all of the possibilities for business transfer. It might be in accounting or management, marketing, economics, international business, and this is just page 1 of 6. I could filter by other items on the left as well. For example, I only want an online program, something that can be done completely online without me going on campus. So this says that there are 13 fully online programs if I wanted that. I'm going to take a look at this Old Dominion accounting program. And now I can see the description of the program. I can open up these drop-down menus to learn more about the program specifically. And if I wanted to, if I'm interested in this, I could click and bookmark this page. That way, when I return to Transfer Virginia, I can go immediately to my bookmarks and see the Old Dominion accounting degree and immediately go back to that page. So using where can my major transfer, I can really see the options across the state.